Welcome to IDB everyone, Andrew here, and SurfacePad has just been updated for the iPhone X. Now comes in a couple different colors and has a few new tricks up its sleeve. The new case, well I guess you shouldn't call it a case, it's more of a cover, but the new cover comes in 3 different colors. There is black, as it was in the past, and there are 2 new colors, which is cognac and teal. We've got the teal model here, and those replace camel and navy. So basically brown and blue have been replaced with brown and blue, just slightly different shades. Aside from the new colors, they've also updated the leather. So previously, this used more of a Napa style leather. It was very soft and supple, but unfortunately, it had a shorter lifespan. So they've used the leather that is pretty similar to the relaxed leather cases, some of my favorite cases out there. So it's that same kind of full grain leather. It'll have a longer lifespan, but it's not quite as soft. Kind of did prefer the softness of the Napa leather, but you can't really argue with the longer lifespan that you see here in the full grain leather. And it still looks really nice, and it gets a really nice patina over time. I've used the relaxed leather cases, and they look so great after you use them for a while. Just like in the past, on the left-hand side, you will find 2 card slots. So for me, I keep an ID and 1 credit card. Most of my stuff I do over Apple Pay, but of course I still need a credit card at some point, and you often need an ID. Now, just like the previous versions, this attaches to your phone using a removable adhesive. It leaves no residue when coming off, though I do find it's a little bit tacky, a little bit hard to get off sometimes, but you can completely reuse it and take it on and off. Now, this also comes with the instant wake and unlock feature, where you can open up the case and it'll instantly wake up your phone. And of course, it locks your phone when you close it again. And with Face ID, it pretty much unlocks it at the same time. That's not the only new feature. It also now can be propped up as a little display. There's that little flap along the back, which allows it to be propped open. So you can watch videos, movies, whatever you want to do. Maybe watch your favorite IDB YouTube videos. That's probably what I would do. You can watch Netflix, but then you can also use it for FaceTime. So it's really handy to be able to prop that up at the same time. This feels like something that should have been in there from the beginning. It's an absolutely amazing enhancement. Now this does offer really no side protection, so this is really more of a cover. It protects the front, protects the back, but you don't have any protection along the side. So if you're looking for a really protective case, this is not it. But if you're looking for something slim, Spell offers that additional functionality, this is definitely what you want to check out. Overall, I'm not generally a fan of cases. They're just not my thing. I like just the naked iPhone. However, I've used the SurfacePad many times in the past, and this is probably one of my go-tos when I do want some protection. It protects the screen, which can definitely be, susceptible to scratches, and it protects the back when you're setting it down on a table. It could be annoying having to open it up and close it all the time, but it seems pretty seamless, and I can easily open it with one hand or the other. So literally left or right hand, it works pretty easy to open, check out my stuff, and if I do need to get in my phone, I don't have to worry about moving my hand for Touch ID. Just really easy to pop it open. I think 12 South did a great job in updating the SurfacePad for the iPhone X. It obviously works with wireless charging, still holds 2 cards, has an updated, longer lifespan leather, couple of new colors, instant wake functionality, and the ability to prop it up and use it as a display for watching videos or FaceTime. They basically took one of my favorite covers and made it even better. And of course, it's not only available for iPhone X, they still have the SurfacePad line available for pretty much all of the other Apple products out there. Whether it's a different iPhone, iPad, whatever it may be, you can find links for pretty much all that stuff down below in the description, and I want to know what you think of the updated SurfacePad for iPhone X down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, and until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.